I'm going to go ahead and tell you the giveaway for August. We are going to be giving away a 10-pack of AR-15 magazines, 10-pack of Magpul magazines, and the full boatload of Eagle Run 2-3 stickers. So these are brand new. These are not even listed yet. I just got these in. They're got a little holographic to them. We've got the 8.6 blackout. It's too bright. Let's turn our light off. 8.6 blackout. We've got the white Eagle Run. And then this one's my favorite. Does anyone recognize what that is? It's a Texas Farm to Market. Texas Farm to Market that we put Eagle Run 2-3 on. It's blurry. I'm sorry. But you get a full sticker pack and a 10-pack of Magpul AR-15 magazines. That's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited about that giveaway.